Hello friends, let's make a wall hanging today. We will be making whirly art on it and decorating the borders with the sequins. For this we will be needing two round shaped cardboards, a smaller and a bigger size. The size you can decide according to the wall wherever you want to hang it. And we need two colored sheets. One is orange and we need black color for the base. So we are going to paste this orange sheet on the smaller one and we are going to paste the black sheet on the bigger one. You can paste them with the help of glue. After pasting, just cut the extra sheet, and now we are going to paste this smaller circle on the bigger one. The bigger circle will look like as if it's a frame for your painting. So it's going to look like a frame. Apply glue nicely and paste this smaller circle in the center. Try to keep it in the center, children, so that you get a proper frame look. Now we have to start drawing our whirly art. For this we will be needing a black sketch pen or a black marker. So let's start with the dancing figures. In whirly art, mostly everything is drawn in geometrical shapes. So here we are drawing the figures and the body of the figures are in the shape of triangles. Once the body drawing is done, we will be drawing the heads. So one small line for the neck and round heads. So I want to show that they are dancing and one is male and female. So on the female's head I'm making a small bun, holding hands and dancing. For making hands and legs also you are going to do line drawing, children. Okay, now we have to fill all the empty space with bushes, grass, stones, clouds, sun, birds. So many things we can draw in the background. Once you are done with the drawing, decorate the borders with the sequins. These sequences are very easily available in the market, children. Most probably, you will be able to get them from the shops where you can buy buttons and threads, because these are also used on the dresses. I have seen so many sequences on dupattas and suits, so you will easily get from there. And any shape you are able to get, you can use. Okay, okay, so just paste them in symmetry. Once this is done, I also had one more shape, so I'm using this as well. Once you have pasted all the sequences, the border is going to look so pretty. You can even make these in various sizes and put them together. Maybe you can change the design of the drawings which you are making in the center. Now we are going to paste this thread at the back. You can use sellotape or Fevicol for pasting this thread. This will help you to hang the painting on the wall and see how nice this is looking. Do try. Thank you for watching.